say joked about in the in terms of in terms of what they've gone through in life. Like you don't get to
Make jokes about it.
make jokes about it. Like I mean, if the person having a conversation with you and they decide to go deep, it's not on you to even start laughing and making jokes. Like making jokes to the point where you bring others in it. Now, if it's a thing where you guys both find it funny, then that's okay. But once you know that the person is uncomfortable with whatever it is that you're doing, you should stop immediately. So I don't believe in that because we all go through stuff during our childhood, and most of them are not funny. Some of them are, but people have had like rough childhoods, and I do take that seriously. So for me, I would not be joking about certain things. Yeah. But that's just one of many.
Mm, go ahead.
Now it's my turn, and I've not started eating. But let's go deeper, guys. Pum dum. Don't depend on me to make sounds. I don't do well at it. What is something about you that you think is important for your partner to know? Interesting. Look at me learning tonight.
That's easy. That's an easy one. So
Easy, 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 easy. Lord, thank you for
remember the
this
people
meal.
in ears, babe.
Bless it, that it may nourish our bodies. My body. Hear me praying for you, babe, and I'm me alone eating. I said, our bodies.
Yeah, baby. And you and the baby I eat.
Come on.
So I think that my partner should always be aware that I too have feelings, because sometimes we think that men are supposed to just be just men and rough and just tough and bear anything, and we can say anything that we want to them, and because they're men they can just take whatever, or they shouldn't feel any sort of way or whatever. But men do have feelings too, um, especially when they care about somebody, the opinions, the stance, and all of that. We want you to know that, okay, I care, I respect your opinion, what you think matters, and all of that. So just feelings.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go deep.
Oh, it's your turn.
Yes, it's my turn. Yeah, baby.
I'm having beef and rice.
Deep. What is an ability? Babe, are
I
you
would
for
say
do it
steak
or
and
me? Or
rice.
me? Oh yeah, you read.
Stir
I'm gonna
fry
answer.
steak, pepper steak with rice.
What is an ability you'd like to have and why? Bam! Bam! Bam!
For me, hold on. Hold on, guys.
That's a good one.
I have to let you guys hear me clearly.
Mm-hmm.
Ability and why. And why?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Yeah, so even know why.
I would love to have the ability, which would be like the power to heal people.
Woot, woot.
No. Why? To heal people, to deliver people, whatever the case may be. The reason why I would like that is because people are out here suffering so much from illnesses, pain, like so much is happening in this physical realm. So I would love that ability that is only given through God to have that power to heal people. Yeah. So that's what I would love to have.
Lovely. I knew what that was going to be.
You knew it was gonna be that?
Yeah, so I was like, bam, bam.
I knew too that you were implying that
Yeah,
because you know me.
yeah. Well, that's good. I guess you should go now. That's a good one. Then do a highlight. But that's like 5 minutes.